Alright, got to the bait shop, get some live bait real quick. Ladies first, bro. Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. I got my buddy Anthony right here. We're going saltwater fishing to the rocks today. We're getting live shrimp right now. Got the live shrimp. Get it. Alright guys, we just made it to the spot. It's hell dark out still. It's 6:03. We set all the rods up, jigs, everything, the live bait, everything is good, packed up, and start walking the beach and go to the rock. Alright guys, we've been here sitting on the rocks for like about 20 minutes, waiting until the sun comes up, because we were casting. We couldn't see anyone we were casting. Alright guys, we're in the spot, we're waiting for the sun to come up a little, and we couldn't see anything, because it's very dangerous about these rocks right here. You guys can't see it right now a lot, because the sun's not fully out. But later, I'll take the camera out, take some cool shots of this location. This is the rocks right here, the place I was talking about. Oh, I don't know. Let's go. Oh, got a snook. Got a snook, guys. Have a snook on. Have a snook. Have a snook. What is this? Jack snook? Oh, that's a baby snook right there. Good stuff. Come on, stay hooked. Come on, stay hooked. No, no, stay hooked. Stay hooked. Ugh. Stay hooked. No, big boy. Stay hooked. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Baby snook right here, boys. Woo! Let's go take some pictures. I got him on the jig, GULP, right here. Woo! Let me go show it to Anthony. Let's go! On the jig. Here it is, guys. This is baby snook. Got him on the GULP jig. Take some picture now. Ooh, beautiful fish. Look how healthy he is. Look at that line. And then release him. Shout out to my boy Anthony, he took some raw ass pictures. Now let's go release him real quick. Oh shit! Here we go. Swimming off like a champ, boys! Let's get me! No luck. It's a quit. We're going to it. I know this is gonna be a short video, but this is something I'm gonna be uploading. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little catch of that baby snook. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.